The best veterinarian near me. Before we reveal, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get more videos like this. Your family is planning to welcome a furry, four-legged member soon. You probably have a lot of questions running around in your head, like, what am I going to name him? Or, do I need to get my new dog a crate? Or, what's the best dog food today? One question that should be at the top of your mind is, how can I find the best veterinarian near me? Having a vet nearby helps you keep your dog in the best health possible, and ensures that he gets expert care when needed. Of course, it's equally important that you find a good veterinarian. The right vet will make you feel confident that your canine pal is in good hands. Is it time to visit the vet? Delaying a visit to the vet is never a good idea, though it's understandable to feel a little anxious about going to the animal clinic. If your dog is showing obvious signs of sickness or injury, going to the clinic should be your first priority. Pack up and head for the vet if Number 1. Your dog shows sudden changes in behavior, like if he loses his appetite or he's excessively sluggish. Number 2. You discover physical irregularities on your pet. Unusual bumps and lumps could be symptoms of more serious conditions. Number 3. Your pet has vomited blood or is suffering from diarrhea. These are classic signs of poisoning that need immediate attention from a veterinary expert. Number 4. Your dog is panting more than usual and has a dry nose and gums. These symptoms may indicate that your pet is dehydrated. If you're a new puppy owner, you want your dog to have his first vet visit when he's between 8 to 10 weeks old. This first visit should include a full body exam and the administration of vaccines for rabies, distemper, and other illnesses. Bring your puppy to see the doctor every month until he's 6 months old. Aside from urgent situations, your dog will also need routine veterinary checkups throughout his life. An annual checkup should be enough for most canines aged 1 to 10 years old. These visits will include blood tests to check for heartworms as well as rabies booster shots and shots for parvo. As your pup becomes a senior, 10 years or older, he'll likely need to be checked twice a year so the veterinarian can check on his kidney and liver, among other things. How do I find the best veterinarian near me? Finding the best veterinarian in your area can be tricky, especially if it's your first time owning a pet. One way to get ideas about the vet practices and clinics near you is to ask around. Your neighbors may know a reliable veterinarian in the neighborhood. Your friends and family members can also offer great insights on which animal clinics in the area can be trusted. Do more than just enter "best veterinarian near me" into that search bar. Look through review sites and read up on the feedback provided by the clients of the veterinarians and animal clinics in your area. This way, you get an idea of what to expect from vets and clinics you're considering. Have a purebred dog? Try asking local breed clubs for recommendations on veterinary practices. Many of these clubs will have established working partnerships with vets who are familiar with breed-specific health problems. Rescue organizations may also have ties or affiliations with local veterinarians, who will have completed health clearances for dogs available for adoption. Lastly, don't forget to check the websites of veterinary practices and animal clinics. Find out how many veterinarians and veterinary specialists are on staff. Many clinics have short descriptions of their doctors on their websites, so you can easily get an idea of each vet's expertise and experience. No photos on the website? The clinic may be hiding a less than ideal environment that could be dangerous for your dog. Once you have a short list of veterinarians to consider, it's time to pick up the phone to ask more questions. Finding low-cost vets near me. No matter how prepared you are, sometimes you'll need some financial help in taking care of your pet. It's always helpful to know your options when it comes to low-cost veterinary care. Your best bet to save money on routine procedures is to approach the local chapter of the Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, SPCA, or Humane Society. In many cases, you can also get help from animal shelters. Many of these organizations offer free preventative care like vaccines or deworming for pets. Some will even neuter or spay your dog for free. Local veterinary schools may also have low-cost clinics for pet owners who have limited income. Search for veterinary schools in your area and ask if they offer discounted services for pets. In some cases, you'll be able to find breed-specific programs that offer financial assistance for various medical procedures for your dog. If you own a Labrador Retriever, for instance, you can apply for aid from organizations like LABMED and Labrador Lifeline, Inc. Do I need a veterinary specialist? Sometimes, a veterinarian won't have enough expertise to diagnose or treat a condition that your dog may have. In these cases, your pet will need veterinary specialists that can provide more specific treatments or do procedures that require additional training. Your general practicing vet will most likely refer you to a specialist if needed. The American Veterinary Medical Association currently recognizes 41 distinct specialties in areas such as behavior, nutrition, surgery, and dentistry. Internal medicine specialists have additional training and certification in cardiology, neurology, and oncology. These vets will be of great help for dog breeds that are prone to cancer in Rottweilers and cardiomyopathy in Boxers. Veterinary ophthalmologists can lay out more effective treatment plans for terriers that are carriers for the genetic mutation that causes primary lens luxation. Meanwhile, veterinary dermatologists can help owners of American bulldogs deal with their pets' skin allergies. Does your canine pal need a new hip due to severe hip dysplasia? A veterinary surgeon can probably help you out. Theriogenealogists, on the other hand, specialize in animal reproduction. Your vet may refer you to this specialist if you need an abortion for your dog or if your pet is experiencing a complicated pregnancy. And if you're looking for a vet who knows everything about dogs, you want a veterinary practitioner specializing in canine practice. What do I need to do before visiting the veterinarian near me? Once you make a short list of potential new vets from the results of your search for vets near me, you need to prepare yourself and your dog for your first visit to the practice. Make sure you make the most of each vet visit by giving yourself enough time to prepare for the appointment. You probably have some documents and notes to bring along to give the veterinarian complete information about your pet. If you're visiting a new practice, bring along notes on your pet's eating habits and toilet habits. You also want to note down medication he's taking as well as the dosage. Traveled with your dog recently? Write that down, too, so you don't forget to tell the vet. Prepare and bring your pet's past medical records. This is especially important if your dog has undergone treatment and procedures. This way, the vet can get a more accurate medical history of your pet. Keep your pet calm by bringing along his favorite toys and a blanket. Make the visit to the veterinarian as stress-free as possible. Distract your dog with his favorite chew bone or rope toy. Treats also work great for getting your pet to behave. Put your dog in a carrier or use a leash. A new environment may make your dog anxious or overly excitable. A carrier or a leash makes it easier for you to keep your pet under control and helps prevent accidents. Get your dog used to being handled. The vet will touch your dog a lot, especially during a routine physical exam. You can train your pet to keep calm and still during handling by regularly touching his paws, mouth, ears, and tail at home. Make sure to reward positive behavior so it sticks. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell for latest updates. Thanks for watching.